Assalamu alaikum students. I am your English teacher. Welcome to my class English. So students, in before classes what we will discuss about the VVS Lakshman is very special, a cricketer. So we will discuss about that man. Now we will continue our lesson. From where did you draw the strength to emerge as a gained every time there was an effort to drop your achievement? So here Sports star will be asking to a question to VVS Lakshman. So he will ask, from where did you draw the strength? From where did you draw the strength to emerge as a gained every time there as an effort to drop your achievements? My parents, my family, my entire family again. So he will give an answer that my family and my parents is my strength to gain gain the achievement. So my parents as well as my entire family will very helpful to me to gain a strength to achievements, to gain a achievements. They along with my well wishers were always the source of inspiration. Along with her well wishers who will be wished to him always and the source of inspiration. The best part is that they never changed irrespective of whether I was performing or not. The best thing is that he will say that the best thing is that they never change if they was performing good or not. So, next students, the sports star will be asked another question because it is an interview na, that's why they are asking many questions to VVS Lakshman. Okay students, what were your biggest moment as a cricketer? The sports star will be asked to whom? The sports star will be asked to VVS Lakshman. He will ask, what is your biggest moment as a cricketer? There were many. He will give a simple answer that there were many are things, but some stand out. Though I never played the World Cup, that I saw India as the number one team. He will give the answer. What he will give? Though I never played the World Cup, he will be never play the World Cup. That's so. But he will saw that India was the number one team. India was a number one team, being a member of the Indian team, which was the world number one in Test cricket, was one of them. He will he will play in the Test cricket was one of them. He will be playing the Test series. The 281 against the test remain that most memorable. The 281 against the Aussies in Kolkata in 2000 was another. He other moment as a cricketer is that the 281 against 2 means 281 scores against the Aussies in Kolkata in 2001. So the test remain the most memorable match for me. The test will be remain for him as a memorable match for them. In fact, the test series was very special for all the player, for it was also the best and the most memorable series. So not only him but also the other players is also a very special for them. Was the best and most memorable series for not only him but also along with her players, along with her team members. That series gave us a confidence that was we can be the best. This series will give a confidence to him. What confidence? We can be the best. We can do the best. Clearly, that was a turning point of Indian cricket itself. It was a turning point. So, in that next, he will ask a question. When you look back, what were the reasons for Indian becoming the side? So, he will ask another question. So, when you look back, what were reasons for Indian becoming number one side? Then VVS Lakshman give a simple answer that it is important to remember that it was not a sudden transformation which came in 1 year. It all started in the 2000 when Saurav Ganguly became captain. I feel lucky to have I played under the Saurav, my first captain Sachin and Dhoni, they all led by example. Everyone was a true performer and of them had a traits of a leadership. So he will give answer. What he will give, it was started in 2000 when Saurav Ganguly became a captain. So the VVS Lakshman will work under the whom will work under the Saurav Ganguly. The Saurav Ganguly is first captain. Saurav Ganguly. I feel lucky to have played under Saurav, my first captain Sachin and Dhoni. So he will play under the whom Saurav, and as well as the first captain of VVS Lakshman is Sachin and as well as Dhoni. Okay, students, they all led by example. Everyone is a true performer. Means Sachin as well as Dhoni have a true performer and having all traits all character of a leadership. Means as a captain, it contain all character as a captain. Home students Dhoni and as well as Sachin. Then he will ask, how different was Saurav Ganguly as a captain? I must say that the combination of Saurav and coach John Wright was influence changing the mindset of Indian cricket itself. So when the Saurav as a captain and the coach who will be responsible for training to him the, so here Saurav as a the I must that say that combination of Saurav and as well as whom coach John Wright. So it will be changed the mindset of Indian cricket itself for itself. Then that was started well constituted especially a board, and we have amazingly talented with a hunger for success. So all of them having amazing talented, different talented, and all of are having the hunger for success, who played with a great pride, work really had, show great commitment levels. Then sports star will ask another question. What he will ask, student, what has been your funniest incident on the field? What is your funniest incident on the field? Well, with a being smile, while giving a being smile, when Saurav and I collide, means crash, while taking a single ODI. So he will uh, smile themselves when the Saurav and as well as whom VVS Lakshman is crashed while taking a single ODI. It is still amusing and embarrassing when I look back as to how it was happened. He will he will feel uncomfortable while collide with each other. So he will feel very uncomfortable, embarrassment when I look back. So how it was happened, how it will be happened, he will think themselves only, and he will giving a big smile while saying these words. Then the sport. Then he will ask another question. What he will ask, what was the most disappointment moment for you? He will ask funniest moment for you. He will ask how different was Saurav Ganguly as a captain. He will ask what is you. So he will ask different questions to whom? He will ask different questions to VVS Lakshman. Okay, now we will see disappointment moment for VVS Lakshman. Okay, students, there was nothing like that, but I will feel terribly distinguished whenever I drop a match. I will feel sorry for the bowler who puts in a such great effort and chance is fluid. That hurt me the most. So he will give answer that nothing like that, but some is there. What I will feel terribly distinguished whenever I drop a catch. So whenever he will be drop a catch, he will not catch the ball. So he will feel very sorry for the bowler, because he will puts her great efforts to change the match. That's why he hurt me the most, because he hurt themselves for most when he will lose the catch. So student, next he asks, what are your hobbies? Yes students, we have different types of hobbies. Like that also he will ask a question to whom? He will ask question to VVS Lakshman. I love to spend time with members of my family. He will say that I love to spend all time with my family members. I give so much of peace to love reading biographies of successful individual. He also interested to learn what reading. So he interested to reading, love to reading and biographies of successful mans, for they help us to know they handle different aspects in life and support. Because while reading these biographies of successful individual, he get a different he handle the different situations in their life as a sportman. So students, another, what he will ask, you are a complete family man now. Outside you are celebrity, at home a normal caring father. Then he will ask, from outside you are a complete family man now, because outside you have a celebrity because you are a cricketer man outside, and inside you have a normal caring father. So what answer will give the VVS Lakshman? I am lucky to have such a wonderful, well neat family with a wonderful vibe. I am lucky to have a wonderful family and as well as a wonderful wife, and it is a great feeling to see the kids up so grow fast. It is a great feeling to see the kids are growing so fast. It is really joy to be with them. It is really joy to be with them, to spend my time with with my family members, with my kids. He say that answer. Then he will ask, who are the cricketers whom you are admired, from whom you get whom you are admire. Then he will ask, in early day Azhar. Well, Sachin is such a role model in every except. Kapil was a great inspiration to on to. Then he will give the answer. The sports star will ask the question, from whom you get which person you which person as a role model you will use. Then he will give the answer. In my early days, Azhar will a Sachin in a such a role model in every except, as well as Kapil also was a great inspiration to me. So he will give the answer, my role model as a in early days as Azhar, and as well as Sachin, and as a great inspiration I will get a inspiration from my Kapil. Kapil, yes, Kapil only. I will get a inspiration, great inspiration from the Kapil. Okay, student. So, my dear students, second one question: what role did Lakshman play in making India #1 Test cricket team? This is your homework, student. This is your assignment. You have to complete and you have to write these questions for 2 times and submit in the group. Okay, students.